Namaskaram. I have a editorial of examine or examination or one notion under test. Today is the Tom Burdett say in school you are taught a lesson and then given a test. Tom Button says in school you are taught a lesson and then given a test. In life you are given a test that teaches you a lesson. Is saying Tom Burdett. And परीक्षा पे चर्चा about in this editorial, Times of India editorial. You see, परीक्षा पे चर्चा here. What is saying in the editorial? Even if accountability in NTA is fixed, question will remain on the error-prone testing system. Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan's statement that NTA will be investigated and the National Testing Agency system will be reformed is unlikely at the point to reassure examine be reformed is unlikely at the point to reassure examinees who appeared for the NEET and just cancel UGC NET. While it's good for the fixing accountability in the NTA is now the ministerial concern, no fundamental change for the better can happen without asking tough question on the entire process of the conducting centralized exam. Testers report card. Testers who test this report card. The scale of NTA's failure bears reputation from CUET to JEE, NEET and UGC NET. There have been far too many glitches, including those that have raised big question on the integrity of the competence of the testing agency. Such has been NTA's mismanagement. That argument against the single exam authority have been again resurfaced. So scattered is the agency's implementation and the notes of the accountability that weeks after the NEET fiasco, the only action has been the cancellation of the exam for the grace mark students and empty platitudes absent was any sense of accountability. Loosely controlled, such centralized test the gateway of the career for the lack of the student or the essence of the public good. This is a being squandered wholesale during implementation of the largely private sector bargaining ecosystem for the service provider exam center. IT companies and the medium scale computer operation which have sprung on the solely to outsource infra required to the conduct the mammoth test. NTA cannot vouch for the cyber security at thousands of the centers where online tests are held, nor for the invigilator and personal staffing physical centers. It leaves the system vulnerable to attack the physical and the remote, notwithstanding with the CRT insecurity certificate which are required per byte rules. Paper leaks, impersonation or proxies and the hacks are the inevitable in such an unwidely loosely controlled organization. CCTV and the audits are not enough. Quick action. Dharmendra Pradhan, Education Minister, must constitute the high-level committee promptly and the staff. It will professional who command credibility, and the committee should not only be on the tight deadline, but it must also have the freedom to ask uncomfortable questions, including on the desirability of the centralized testing agency in its role in the NTA will address the accountability issue, but a new NTA team will not be effective unless the structural flaws of the national testing system are fixed. In this country, there are the five big paper conducting body. First is UPSC, second is SSC, NTA, IBPS, RRB 5. UPSC is a central level, uh, you say Union Public Service Commission, and the second one is SSC, Staff Selection Commission. Third is RRB. In this RRB, Railway Recruiting something board, Railway Recruiting Board, NTA, National Testing Agency. IBPS, IBPS is conducting railway banks related exams. There is a in country 5 very big. You don't have seen last around 10-20 years UPSC is not leaked the paper, not anything about that. That is your choice. So all the testing agency will think about like UPSC, why he did not leak, and as you say. Thank you.